We're just getting close to the nesting area. It's probably another 2 or 3 minutes climb. It's absolutely sweltering. It's in the mid-30s. It's after 6 o'clock. It's got to be 35, 36 degrees. So we're gonna just climb up through the rocks and thankfully get under some shade, under that big old carob tree up there, which gives me plenty of shade from this heat, because this is a killer. In another minute or so we should be able to look down and see if the chicks are in there, so fingers crossed. Okay, right, we're in position, so now all we have to do is set up the tripod. Both the chicks are laying down in the nest nice and quiet, so perfect light. And if we're lucky later on in the afternoon, or should I say early evening, they should get up and start exercising and flapping, and if we're really lucky the adults will come back and give them some food. So we better get under camouflage and just wait patiently for half an hour, just get settled in.